We're going to do a video on AMD Stock price action trading, and we've got a daily chart up here of AMD for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. And in a minute we're going to give you some algorithmically generated exact entry prices. So let's take a look real quick at AMD. It's currently down $5, almost 8%, trading at $62.51. Volume is 37 million shares on average volume for the day of 79. And this stock's taking a beating. It's in a bear market. You can see it has now violated its most recent low of 62.83. And here today we're making a new low of 62.22 for this current bear market, which started back in April of 2000. Late March of 2022. Again, below the 200, below the 20, below the 5. Stock's definitely in a bear market. So how do we trade it? There's several things we can do. We can stay out of it. If we're trading long, you can just stay out of it. I don't recommend trying to catch a falling knife, and that's what's going on right now with AMD. When you have a stock that's already made its rally to the 20-day, which is essentially what it did here, and then we gap huge down, that's not a good sign for this stock. The risk in this stock is hard to say right at this moment, because you can see we've broken through the 200-week moving average. So this stock's in a very serious bear market now, with really not any decent support until you get down here around $48, and that's not really good support. Much better support down here at the $36 level. I'm not predicting those levels. I'm not predicting anything, but you don't really have any support until you get down to a minimum the 48 level from a technical perspective. It looks like to me that this stock's going to put in some new lows here, continue to do that. It's very hard to say, but I would definitely say the mid-50s is an easy chip shot for this stock in terms of selling off. Is that going to happen? I'm not sure. It's all my opinion, and it's all for entertainment purposes only, but that's the best guess. You're going to sell down, in my opinion, a little bit before you rally. So high to mid-50s is a reasonable target, and then we go from there. Let's take a look at the algorithmically generated prices. We put these out before 7 a.m. every morning. Advanced Micro Devices showing $66.20 on the 1-day column, and all the way up to $67.52 on the 20-day column. These are basically buy today, assuming your own judgment says it's a good idea. Close out tomorrow, worst case at a loss. This would be Monday, it's the next trading day. And the same thing for the 5 and the 20 days. Buy today, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea. Close out at the end of the 5 or 20-day trading session at a loss, or take your profits sooner if you get them. So if we take a look at these Advanced Micro Devices AMD prices, we can see that the market has not traded that high yet. Our daily range here is $62.22 on the bottom and $64.03 on the top. Again, down almost 8%. So we haven't hit these buy prices yet, but they are out there and something to keep an eye on for entertainment purposes only. If you'd like to get access to these before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, you certainly can do that at no cost and no credit card required at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. Just click that link, follow it over, put in your email address. No credit card required. Access is free, and you get access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. We'd love to hear any comments you have in the comments section. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. You can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.